Hey coaches, in this video, we are going to be discussing how to print or use a QR code to share information from your virtual combine database. This is a great way to give coaches easy access to your rosters, leaderboards, prospect sheets, and athlete profiles. There are different sites you can use to create a custom QR code, but you can also create your own QR code by using Google Chrome as your web browser. To create a QR code on Google Chrome, you will go to the specific section inside your virtual combine database that you're wanting to share out. From here, you will select the Create QR Code from this page button on the top right side of the URL box. You'll then be able to customize the name of your QR code and then click the download button. Once the QR code has been downloaded, you'll open it up on your web browser and then click print. Now when someone scans their phone or tablet over the QR code, they'll now have access to the specific section of your virtual combine database that you're wanting to share.